Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon garlic butter. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 salmon fillets, each weighing about 6 ounces, for a perfect serving size. For the rich garlic butter, grab half a cup of unsalted butter, 4 cloves of fresh garlic, and 1 fresh lemon. Don't forget a 1/4 cup of fresh parsley, plus salt and black pepper to taste. Now, let's create that amazing garlic butter. Start by softening half a cup of unsalted butter to room temperature. This makes mixing much easier. Finely mince 4 cloves of fresh garlic, ensuring a potent flavor. In a small bowl, combine the softened butter, minced garlic, and 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley. Stir in 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of black pepper until well blended. Next, we prepare our beautiful salmon fillets. Take 2 6-ounce salmon fillets and pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. This helps achieve a crispy skin. Season both sides generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Lightly brush 1 tablespoon of olive oil over the skin side of each fillet. Then, place the salmon skin side down on a baking sheet or oven-safe pan, ready for the next step. Finally, it's time to bake and enjoy. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Evenly spread about 2 tablespoons of your prepared garlic butter over the top of each salmon fillet. Bake for approximately 12 to 15 minutes, or until the salmon flakes easily with a fork and reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Garnish with fresh lemon wedges and a sprinkle of extra parsley before serving this delicious dish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.